Our people, una well done o. I come tell una about one promo for 1xBet wey dem dey do every week. Dem dey call am 1x free bet. If you gbadu dis promo, wetin you suppose do na to just register for 1xBet with our promo code GNEXT. You go get 300% bonus for your first deposit. Then go the offer page go press take part. Come play one single game of correct score with at least 3,300 inside any game wey you like from Tuesday to Monday. Once your game finish, dem go give you free bet wey be 100% of your stake amount. Make sure say you dey use sense dey bet o. Good luck.
Guardiola, now you call this meeting?
No be me. I just get meeting alerts from my phone with date and time.
Maresca, you go. As you never come this meeting before, who carry you come?
Na them come my house, come yarn me about the meeting. Come tell me date and time.
How people wey no even dey top seats go dey invite person come meeting wey dem no suppose dey?
Me, I no know anything, no. I just dey come for the first time.
My fellow EPL coaches, welcome to another meeting with a new chairman. Shebi I dey get am. Na me call meeting. E get wetin I wan discuss as players don go international break.
Wait first, shey na my brain dey pain me, abi na me wey no understand wetin dey go on? How you take get mind to call and chair meeting when dem never introduce you and welcome you enter the meeting first?
Una no tell me that one o. Say dem suppose invite me first. Come introduce me.
No mind am. As na you the top table, na you be the automatic meeting chairman, and you fit call meeting anytime wey you want. Na you are right. My question be say, how him take know say na him right when him never attend this meeting before?
Ataya o. So now go tell am so that him go invite una abi? Because na know say una no suppose dey the meeting.
Wetin you mean by that? The guy get issues wey him wan discuss for Premier League. Him come meet us. We explain to him rights. You come here dey talk nonsense.
Swear say he come meet una. Him no see another coach to go meet. He come be una.
My own be say, dem no even suppose dey this meeting. Na Emery and Hustler suppose dey sit down there where una dey sit down.
Wait, who be Hustler?
You no sabi Hustler wey hustle him way all the way from Bundesliga Division 2 to come coach Brighton at 31?
Okay, that new youngest ever Premier League permanent coach?
Yes na. The guy nearly use brightness blind me as him take blind these two wey dey here.
The meeting na meeting of Big 6 EPL club coaches. No be top table 6 coaches.
Wetin make your club big?
Without Man U, where Premier League for dey among European leagues.
If no be say because of this our newcomers now, so that dem no go use fear run, and for use pump action send una go back to where una follow come.
Now your papa you for send to grieve.
You say wetin?
Ateta beg, leave these people make we do this meeting comot for here. No, so una dey dey for here.
No mind these mid-table dwellers wey no sabi their position in life.
Na wow!
Abeg carry on with wetin you wan talk.
Okay o. So wetin I wan talk about wey dey very important na the number of tournaments wey we big clubs get to play inside one season. E too much. Na only England be the country inside top 5 European leagues wey get to play 3 domestic tournaments.
Thank God I don raise this issue before, but na no hear me. Una dey busy dey attack me with FFP, ATP and court case. Thank God, God don shame all of my enemies.
God no shame anything. More case dey come.
Anyway, me I don decide say I go dey use my second 11 dey play all these less relevant tournaments. Especially now UEFA and FIFA don increase the number of matches wey dem dey play for their tournaments. But no be everybody fit win match with their second 11 now. Una neighbor no fit win match with their first 11, talk less of second.
Who be him neighbor? Say, if you wan call Man U, you call Man U direct. I no dey like people wey dey follow back door.
I call any club name.
Which one be him neighbor? Which other neighbors wey him get for Manchester? And for your information, we don't win match this season.
Why you dey quick take things personal?
If you want talk to me, you talk to me direct. I know they like side talks. And by the way, say you dey play the same number of tournaments with me. No mean say we dey play the same quality of tournaments. Europa League and Conference League no be mates. League wey be say na only you senior everybody wey dey there combined.
Tournaments na tournaments. No be 11 men every club they come play with.
No talk that thing again no.
If them combine the net worth of all the clubs we come Conference League, apart from Una, e no pass 1.5 billion euros. But only Una worth more than 1.6 billion euros. Okay, if them they do them like that, why Man you go there with 20? I been at 20. Now why slot they try resolve the issue now? Make them commit less relevant tournaments like Carabao Cup, so that him go fit dedicate him resources to fewer more important matches.
Why you dey talk like say na only me need am?
Right now, now you need them pass, because now you them go soon sack.
So you wan start your own insult now, ba? Because say you manage score 3 goals after them give us Ojoro red card, no mean say we dey struggle.
First of all, no be only me don win una. Secondly, 3 goals no be and no fit ever be managed. Third and last of all, if we still replay that match, I go still knack you wetin no good.
I no blame you wey be say una club mission na to barrier big clubs. Come lift any trophy make I see you na.
So if them call big clubs while the barrier, you go follow come out.
Yes now.
Ten Hag, you know say I no dey ever dey on the side of these chickens wey I get as neighbors. But with all due respect, una no be big club again.
Who you dey call chicken?
No be wetin una be. Wetin you wan do about am?
No problem.
All of una dey meant. Abeg I don leave the meeting for una.